In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate DHL with Shopify, a crucial step for those looking to streamline their e-commerce shipping process seamlessly. Whether you're a seasoned online seller or just setting up shop, integrating DHL can greatly enhance your shipping efficiency, ensuring your customers receive their orders promptly and securely. Let's dive right in and get started with connecting DHL to your Shopify store. First, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify App Store. Think of the App Store as a central hub packed with countless tools designed to supercharge your Shopify experience. You can find the App Store directly from your Shopify dashboard, or simply head to your web browser and type in the Shopify App Store URL. Once you're there, take a moment to explore other potential apps that might be useful for your store, but stay focused on the task at hand. Next, in the search bar at the top, type DHL Express Commerce. As you type, you might notice other shipping-related apps pop up. Make sure you select the correct one, as different apps cater to specific needs, and DHL Express Commerce is designed specifically for integrating directly with DHL's robust shipping services. When you see the app listed in the search results, go ahead and click Add App. This will commence your journey toward a smoother shipping process. After clicking Add App, you'll be prompted to install it. This installation process is generally straightforward, thanks to Shopify's user-friendly design. Follow the prompts as they appear on your screen. You might encounter steps that require you to enter some basic information or grant permissions to the app. This is completely normal, as the app needs access to your store to manage and streamline your shipping orders. Rest assured, these permissions are standard practice to ensure the app functions correctly and keeps your shipping process running smoothly. During installation, pay attention to any additional options or settings that might be available. Sometimes, depending on the app version or updates, you might be offered options to customize the integration to better fit your store's needs. Don't hesitate to explore these settings, as they can provide you with additional functionalities that could enhance your shipping processes further. Once the installation is complete, be sure to review the app to ensure it meets your expectations and is functioning as desired. You might want to do a test run with an order to see firsthand how DHL handles your shipping requests, ensuring everything is in place for your customers. And there you have it. You're now ready to streamline your shipping process with DHL seamlessly integrated into your Shopify store. This integration not only saves you time, but can significantly enhance the overall customer experience, making your store efficient and reliable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in optimizing your e-commerce business. Happy selling!